As you can see, I just plugged it in, which is a bit dodgy because I'm trying to fiddle to turn it around so the camera can see inside, which hasn't got any optical drives, nothing in there as yet, so we're going to close that because that is incomplete. This is my thermostat setting, as you saw me completely assemble after I dismantle it and reassemble and power it on again. You can see here my temperature should be set at 23.0 Celsius for my processor. So I will keep you posted, YouTube. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. It might be help, may not be too much help, but it's my first, so enjoy. Thank you. Bye bye.